Item Number SCP-3136. Index. Here be monsters. Object Class. Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-3136 is to be stored within the document tube it was initially found in. The document tube and SCP-3136 are to be locked in a secure, lead-lined case. The case may only be unlocked by researchers involved with SCP-3136 or by O5 authorization. Description: SCP-3136 is a Mercator projection world map that measures approximately 2 meters by 3 meters in area. It lacks symbols or identifying marks of any kind. Upon adding any marking inside a body of water, SCP-3136's anomalous property activates. An aquatic organism matching the dimensions of this marking, designated as an instance of SCP-3136-1, will manifest at the corresponding geographical locations of this marking. The instance will manifest proportionally smaller by a factor of. The figure's position on the map shifts to reflect the instance's current location. Once this instance dies, the drawing immediately vanishes. Until this occurs, all attempts to mark or draw upon the map will fail. Note: the Mercator projection is a common map projection in the early days of cartography, which is infamous for distorting the sizes of landmasses relative to their real-world sizes. Large oceans tend to remain relatively undistorted. Instances of SCP-3136-1 are aquatic organisms that possess fully functioning organs. When removed from the sea, these organs immediately fail. These organisms do not have to exist to be created, as SCP-3136 will add suitable organs according to the needs of the instance. Recovery. On February 18, 2016, an SCP-3136-1 instance was discovered off the coast of Australia. Prior to this, Foundation web crawlers flagged a video posted to Facebook by a student at Loyola Marymount University, California. The video showed the anomalous property in which markings disappear from the map paper. SCP-3136 was recovered from the home of one Dr. Adebagbo, a professor of history and cartography. The link to SCP-3136-1A was discovered due to the lobster symbol moving in tandem with SCP-3136-1A. Testing logs. Artist: Dr. Adebagbo. Artist's depiction: a small black creature comparable to a lobster with 10 legs. Drawn with an antique ink pen. Test results: 30-meter jet black lobster devoid of irregularities. Containment or death: suffered from total organ failure during transfer to a Foundation secure facility. Artist: Class C personnel. Depiction: a small circle with fins and a mouth, drawn in an oceanic net in Foundation Site 1028. The drawing was done with a sharp pencil. Results: imperfectly spherical creature with seal-like skin, and was 5 meters in diameter. Containment or death: died of total organ failure 16 days after creation. Artist: Class C personnel with artistic experience. Depiction: researcher had artistic experience and reference pictures of blue whales. Picture appeared to be a perfectly proportioned blue whale. Drawn with an outline pen and colored pencils. Results: blue whale with an exoskeleton composed of chitin. Has massive shape irregularities when compared to a regular blue whale. Containment or death: harpooned multiple times to see the effect of premature death on SCP-3136-1 instances. After slight vocalizations, SCP-3136-1C died and disappeared from the map. SCP-3136 could not be drawn on afterwards for approximately 11 days. Artist: Class C personnel with artistic experience. Depiction: 2 near-identical squids, a male and a female, drawn with dull pencil. Results: 2 squids at half the expected size. 1 complete set of squid organs was evenly distributed between the 2 instances. Containment or death. Died upon creation due to lack of vital organs. Artist: Class C personnel. Depiction: drawn by a Foundation researcher. Instructed to draw a straight line on SCP-3136 within the containment area. Drawn with a permanent black marker. Results: a 44-meter-long eel-like creature with a chitinous shell that rendered it immobile. SCP-3136-1F possessed shape irregularities corresponding to inaccuracies in the Mercator projection. Containment or death. Died of malnourishment within a week due to its inability to eat and lack of Foundation assistance. SCP-3136 could not be drawn on for 7 days afterwards. Artist: Mechanical arm. Depiction: whale that conforms to map distortions as calculated by researchers. Drawn with blue crayon. Results: large whale-like creature with skin similar in composition to that of a gorilla and thick blue fur. Displays intelligence and is taught to answer polar questions. Containment or death. Has survived in containment for 2 months. Is to be fed via food dispenser triggered by SCP-3136-1G. Researchers are not to attempt Skinner box experiments upon SCP-3136-G due to aggression. MTF Theta 7 whale watchers are to be armed with specially manufactured tranquilizer darts and are to avoid causing the instance harm in any way.